And I am Ananya. Today, we are going to present our annual function on the remarkable life of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. First, let us take a moment to acknowledge this beautiful day we have ahead of us. It's our great honor to welcome our Honorable Managing Director Sir, Principal Ma'am and Pallavi Ma'am to our annual function. We are grateful for your tireless efforts in providing us with a nurturing environment that fosters growth and learning. We are privileged to have you as a leader. We welcome our teachers and thank them for their continued support and encouragement. So, let us make the most of this day and start on a journey back in time to meet a visionary, a pioneer of social reform in colonial India, a true son of India, a hero of our past, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a name that will forever last. We will represent Raja Ram Mohan Roy's life and achievements through group discussion, skit, poems, songs and dances. We again welcome MD Sir, Principal Ma'am, Pallavi Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends to our annual function. Please enjoy the show and show your appreciation to our talented performers.
Now, stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge.
Oh God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Thought of the day can set a positive tone for the day ahead. It can provide a boost of positivity and encouragement.
So, thought of the day is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, wise and true, teaching us lessons old and new, with courage bold and mind so keen. He showed us how to dream and lead. Let's learn from him. Let's do our parts to be kind and wise with a loving heart. I repeat my thought. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, wise and true, teaching us lessons old and new, with courage bold and mind so keen. He showed us how to dream and lead. Let's learn from him. Let's do our parts to be kind and wise with a loving heart. Thank you. Poetry is an integral part of Indian cultural heritage. It offers a powerful means of emotional expression. So now, students of my class are going to recite a Hindi poem. The title of our Hindi poem is राष्ट्रनिष्ठा का स्रोत. सूरज की किरणों से ज्योति फैलाता राजा राम मोहन रॉय, देश का प्रेमी, सती प्रथा को खत्म कर आगे बढ़ता, विद्रोह के पथ पर चले धर्म के संग. प्रगति की राह पर, ज्ञान की राह पर वह समझाता रहा समाज को जाकर. शिक्षा की महत्वता को साबित करता, वो हर दिन नए विचारों से लाता. धर्म और जाति का अंत करने की उनकी इच्छा थी दिल से सच्ची. अलगावों को मिटाकर एकता की राह पर राष्ट्र को जोड़ने की कोशिश थी सच्ची. उनकी कहानी से हमें सीखना है, राष्ट्रनिष्ठा और विचारधारा लानी है. राजा राम मोहन रॉय का यह संदेश हम सबको साथ लाना है, हम सबको साथ लाना है. धन्यवाद. Poetry has a unique ability to convey complex emotions and thoughts in a powerful form. So now, get ready for an English poem.
In the records of times, a pioneer stands tall. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, heeding humanity's call. From Bengal soil, he rose with a vision clear to ignite the flames of change.
Against societal shackles, he fiercely fought, empowering minds with wisdom he wrought. Sati's grip he dared to defy, guiding in an era where reasons could fly.
Education, his weapon. Knowledge, his creed. For every child's mind, he planted the seed. Women's right, he championed with might. For equality and justice, he tirelessly did fight.
In the corridor of history, his legacy gleams. a beacon of enlightenment beyond mere dreams. For unity, progress, and humanity is called Raja Ram Mohan Roy forevermore. For unity, progress, and humanity is called Raja Ram Mohan Roy forevermore.
Thank you.
Group discussion provide a platform for children to improve their communication skills and express themselves clearly. So today, we will focus on the contributions of Raja Ram Mohan Roy through a healthy group discussion. Let's start from Raja Ram Mohan Roy's early life and education.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born in 1772 in Bengal. He also received an excellent education in both Indian and Western traditions.
Yes, and his exposure to different cultures and philosophies influenced his later work in social reform and religious revival.
His proficiency in languages like Persian, Arabic, and Sanskrit enabled him to study and understand diverse religious texts. He also studied the work of European philosophers like John Locke, which shaped his ideas on liberty and equality. He wrote on many scientific subjects of immediate social importance and also translated ancient Hindu religious texts into English, Hindi, and Bengali.
Indeed, now let us discuss Raja Ram Mohan Roy's role in social reform. So what were some of his notable contributions?
He was a social and religious reformer.
His ideas, ideals and practices greatly contributed to the re-awakening of the country.
He opposed social evils like sati and campaigned to abolish it.
He fought against caste discrimination, promoted widow remarriage, education of lower caste. Many social reformers founded and inspired generation of social reformers. Great points. Now, let us reflect on Raja Ram Mohan Roy's legacy and impact. How did his work shape the society?
He found Brahma Samaj and advocated social equality. The Brahma Samaj played a major role in reforming the Indian society.
His emphasis on education led to the establishment of schools and colleges that promoted modern education and scientific inquiry.
He advocated for freedom, social reforms, and equality. He supported reduction of Western learning into Indian education. He was given the title of Raja by Batu. Roy died on September 27, 1833 at the age of 61. Furthermore, his ideas on guns, right and freedom contributed to the development of democratic principles in India's struggle for independence. Thank you everyone for your insightful contribution towards our discussion on Raja Ram Mohan Roy. His life and teachings continue to inspire people about social justice and equality.
Let us carry forward his legacy and work towards building a better future for all. Thank you.
Skit provide a platform to express themselves creatively. It promotes teamwork, trust among participants. So get ready for the skit performed by some students of my class. Education is the key for unlocking a better future. I want you to study hard and make a difference in our society.
Yes, Father, I promise to learn as much as I can and help our people in every way I can.
I am proud of you, my son.
Pardon me, respected sir, but can you tell me why we follow certain rules, rituals and customs without questioning their logic?
Young boy, these rituals have been passed down through generation. They are part of our tradition and must be followed without question.
But should we not use reasons and logic to understand our customs? Blind faith without understanding serves no purpose. What brings you here, Mr. Roy? Another comment about our rule in India? No, sir. I came to discuss some social issues like education, women's rights, and practice of sati system, which demands our immediate attention. But these are internal matters, Mr. Roy. We cannot interfere in your customs and tradition. But
These are not just customs, sir. There are violation of human rights that demand universal condemnation and action. My fellow villagers, it is time for us to embrace change. Education is a light that will guide us to get out of darkness. Women deserve equal right and respect, and practice of Satyistam must be abolished forever.
But these are age-old traditions, Rajaram. How can we go against these customs? You are going to destroy our religion.
You are giving women too much freedom. What is wrong in such a system? Women are equal member of our society.
But we should not remain shackled by outdated beliefs. It is our duty to question injustice and strive for better society. I have seen my sister-in-law being the victim of sati system. This should be abolished.
Yes, they should be abolished.
Thanks to Raja Ram Mohan Roy for his tireless efforts, the school were established, women gained more rights. The practice of sati was outlawed. His legacy lives on in the heart of millions, inspiring generations to come. He was truly called as the father of modern India.
Thank you.
Practice of yoga asanas develop strength and flexibility while soothing your nerves and calming your mind. The asanas affect the muscles, joints, skin, and whole body and the brain. Now Akshita Swami will perform some yoga asanas.
Singing the song can serve as a heartfelt homage to the brave souls who fought for the country's freedom. So now I welcome some students for Hindi song.
किस्मत को बस में किया है पोकारा जो बदलेगा जमाना ये सितारों पे लिखा है बदलेगा जमाना ये सितारों पे लिखा है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है धन्यवाद Now, Aradhya Sharma is going to sing a beautiful song.
All smiles, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down and out to the night dawn. Oh yeah, I know what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Oh yeah, I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable, I'll crush, I'll break my brains. I'm invincible, yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful, I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident, yeah, I'm unstoppable, Trey. Unstoppable, Trey. Unstoppable, Trey. Unstoppable, Trey. I'm unstoppable, Trey. Thank you.
Now it's time for an instrumental performance.
Dance is an important part of human culture and society. Dance uses movement rhythm to communicate ideas. Now it's time for a stunning classical dance performance.
Is
celebrates diversity and encourages mutual respect and acceptance. Dancing in a group can also reduce and promote overall mental and emotional wellness.
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूं, तहसीब का रंग सुनहरा हूं। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं। विज्ञान में और किसान में हूं, हर वीर में और जवान में हूं। मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं।
रग रग में जोश की बूंदें, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे। इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में। रोको न सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको न जज्बों की उड़ानों को, रोको न ख्वाबों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे। जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है। जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। ओ, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है। जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। है रात की सुरंग, भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी।
पम पम पम, ये देश है वीर जवानों का, लड़बेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना। ये देश है दुनिया का